Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your date of birth in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Click on your profile in the top left corner. Now click on your username at the top. Click on the pencil icon in the top right corner. Here you can see the date of birth option. Tap on it. Here you'll just have to set your date of birth. If you do not want your age to be viewed in your profile, then select the option just below set button that says don't show my age in profile. But if you do want to show your age, then unselect the option. After you're done, click on the set button. And that is how you can set your date of birth in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.